Well, hello everyone, it's Annette, Fairydust Nails again. It's so good to be back and just do a short video for you. I'm going to try and do a design that I've memorized, that I've seen somewhere on, I think it must be Pinterest, Instagram, or even on Nail Tech Support. So it's a very colorful pigment background with black patterns on it. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Let's see if it works or if it doesn't work. I've never tried this before, so with you guys doing it with me tonight, we're going to see if it really works. So okay, I'm going to start off. I've already sculpted a nail with my normal cover pink. Now I'm going to use a white gel polish, and then I'm just going to do the whole nail in a white. Remember, white and black are some of the gels that you have to put on thin because the pigmentation is very, very high, so it doesn't cure right through if you put it too thick. So I normally leave it like that, so a little bit streaky because it does settle, so that I know that it's thin enough. Okay, there we go. Of course, ends and sides as well. And then I'm just going to cure this for 60 seconds. So okay, now that was cured for 60 seconds. I just made sure that it's dry. I'm going to put the second layer on. Little speck there, so we'll take it off. Nice on this side. Making sure that even the second coat is nice and thin. You'll see I've taken the excess off my brush and I'm just running it over the nail again so that there's no, excess or puddles on the actual nail. We're going to cure this again for 60 seconds. Okay, so there we go. This has been cured now and it's nice and dry. So let's see if the pigment powders wants to work. I'm using this, I would call it a pigment brush. Wipe it off, take off the excess, then maybe going in, I'm just wiping it off, going in with a pink. Just wiping it on my toweling paper. Then going in with an orange, like that. I'm just going to close up the three that I've used already because otherwise it's like pigment powder all over the place. Because when you work with these pigment powders, it's really kind of a messy story, and you want toweling and everything in place just to wipe off and make sure that everything is sorted. Okay, now I think we're going to go in with a yellow. Check the vibrant color. Wipe that off. Going in with the green. And then, of course, going in with the blue, the last little bit there. So I sometimes do overlap it a little bit. Let's just see. Wiping off my little brush, getting rid of all the excess. And now I'm just going to close up the pigment powders, because we don't want everything to get stained right now. There we go. Just putting them one side. Then I'm just going to wipe off my brush. And of course what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this paper in half. Get back there. Take my gel wipe off solution. Have it ready. But first of all, matte top coat. There we go. I'm going to use Glampro Satin Matte Top Gel. Now I'm going to give it a nice layer of matte top coat. Make sure that it's everywhere so that you don't wipe off the pigment. There we go. I'm going to cure this again for 60 seconds. Okay, so what we're going to do now, it's the matte top coat has gone on. So now you will clean up the nail completely. Oh, there it falls out. I'm sorry. Nalia's hand is a bit. Let's put it back. Luckily, your clients won't come off right. There we go. And then that's what it looks like. Now this is the fun part. I'm going to take a black gel paint. Black gel paint. Take my little brush. And now you're going to have fun. So I'm just going to randomly draw a design on here. You will just have to follow your heart when you do this. This is not something that you can do following the picture. I'm sure, well, maybe you can. But I just prefer doing it random. I just used, once I've drawn the lines, I just basically use the excess from the lines that I've drawn to color in the little piece that I want completely black set, because otherwise it's too thick and it's not going to dry again. Remember what I said earlier, that your black pigments are very, very difficult to cure if it's too thick. We'll check the sides just now. I kind of like this already. There we go. Maybe some little bit lines here. Okay, so let's put another line there. And I think that is it. I'm just going to cover up this black here nicely. Now we're going to cure it for 60 seconds again. Okay, and so there we have it. So what I'm going to do now is, like I always use my little plates with a little bit of white gel paint, and this is just for the effect. Maybe I'll just use the little jar, dip in the end of the brush, and then randomly just put a few dots. Just clean it off so that it's not sticky. There we go. That is what it looks like. So I'm going to cure it again. Because we are working with a high pigmented gel, I'm going to cure it for another 60 seconds. There we go. And we're done. So now what I'm going to do, and some people might like it shiny, then you will put on a shiny top coat. I'm going to use the matte again, and I'm just going to go over the design with a matte top coat. Maybe what you could do is do one nail shiny and the rest matte. Okay, so we're going to cure it for 60 seconds quickly. And let's see, I think there we are done. Very simple, very fast, quick to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video tonight. I'll be doing another one soon. Thank you for joining me. Love you nail techs out there a lot. Speak to you soon. Bye.